Another day here, feeling just right.
Salt in the breeze, calm in the streets, where busy lives and nature meet. Wetlands waking, kangaroos roam, koalas high up watching home.
From locals born here to travelers new, from faraway lands chasing skies this blue.
They arrive and quickly see the fix, why hearts settle in for 216.
Close to the surf, close to the city glow. Surface paradise just down the road. But peaceful enough, you still hear the trees in Coombabah coastally.
Coombabah, 4216.
Where everyday life naturally clicks.
4216.
Say it proud. Working class, hard and loud. Steady, not loud. Near or far, everybody's easy. There's something in
4216.
Coombabah, 4216. Oh, we're spoken of bloodwood trees, ancient roots in the coastal breeze.
Long before streets and shopping lights,
Stories live through days and nights. That spirit still runs deep and true.
in how we live and what we do, past and present gently mixed right here.
In 4216.
Sydney Nolan Drive, sunset glow, Panini colors rich and bold, morning skies when the evening falls, art of life on street sign walls.
And wild warmth and twilight glow, Leonardo dreams wherever you go. Creative spirit in the mix, painting life in
4216.
right through the center where good times spark. Families gathering down in Nolan Park. Kids laughing loud, basketball rim, outdoor gym when daylight dims. Neighbors chatting, easy flow. No show, no fuss, just letting life go. Real people, genuine fix. That's every day in 4216. Morning rush when Pine Ridge wakes, headlights shining as the day breaks.
Bit of patience joining the stream, proof people want this postcode dream.
Because busy roads don't push away, they show how many choose to stay. Every turn leads back to the fix, back home to Coombabah 4216. Harbor town lights and shopping codes, Runaway Bay just down the road. School, sport, community mix, everything close in 4216. Afternoons drift slow and kind, canals reflecting peace of mind.
Boats moving quiet through golden light, another perfect coastal night.
And if you listen around sunset time, you hear a proud local line. You hear Brooksy rolling strong, and that blue Falcon V8 singing along. Low V8 rumble steady and true, echoing streets everybody knew. Chrome catching that evening fix,
Cruising smooth through 4216.
working pride, Aussie tradition, part of the suburbs composition.
Engines hum, but hearts stay calm, just another Coombabah charm. Coombabah, Coombabah, 4216.
Golden horizon, coastal bliss.
4216, strong but calm,
Simple life got its own charm.
from Australia right to overseas.
People drawn to 4216. Evening breezes, pastel skies, streetlights slowly coming alive. Dinner cooking, laughter near, that comfortable feeling here.
Stars appear, the day winds down, peace settling over the town. Tomorrow waiting in the mix, another sunrise 4216.
Where wetlands meet the ocean air, where people genuinely care.
Where working lives and dreams align, and simple moments feel divine.
If paradise needed numbers to fix, it would read 4216. And if home had a spoken name, Coombabah would say the same. Well, I've just worked,
Well, I've just worked,
well, I've just worked.
well, I've just did.
Best place going, that's the fix.
Forever true, golden coast in every view.
4216, standing strong. This is where we all belong. Coombabah, Coombabah, Coombabah. Coombabah, 4216, nightlights rising, Gold Coast remix. Sun goes down but the vibe stays strong. Another Coombabah evening rolling on. Close to the water where the good times flow, Paradise Point where the sunsets glow, Runaway Bay when you're out for a bite, Old Island shining in marina light. All just minutes, easy to fix, that's the magic. 4216
Coombabah, 4216. Best postcode in the coastal mix. Bars and laughter, food that sticks. Everything close in.
4216. From quiet cafes to a late night crowd, good people laughing, music loud. You don't need flash, you don't need show. Real Gold Coast energy steals the glow. And honestly, yeah, locals know the tricks. Why we pick 4216. Better vibe than that front scene. Sovereign islands polished, but not as keen. No billionaire shadows shaping the air. Just everyday legends living here. Working people, simple plans, salt on the breeze. Drinking hand, no ego noise, no flashy fix. Just authentic 4216.
When sunset comes and the sky turns red, you'll see those flying foxes overhead. Big fruit bats gliding slow and wide, silhouettes in the twilight tide. It's wild, it's real, nature's mix, part of life in 4216. Every local laughs at this. There's always a python somewhere in the roof space. Big old carpet snake keeping watch. Nature doing what nature does. But when they get a bit too bold, you call Ray before nerves fold. Ray from the snake pit knows the score. Calm as anything knocking on your door. Gentle hands, expert fix. Sorted fast in 4216. Coombabah, nights rolling smooth, community rhythm, easy groove. You feel safe, you feel alive. That's why this postcode thrives. Look down the street, Friday glow. Here comes Carly in a turbo ZST slow. MG humming, clean and bright. George's Corolla tucked in behind Tide and Bo with Dana, riding strong. Black XR6 turbo, you rumbling along. Mobs to tone, headlights mix, street scene pride. 4216, cars on status, they're part of life. Daily drive, weekend vibe, restaurants buzzing, laughing here. Friends linking up year after year. Nothing forced, nothing staged, just coastal living perfectly aged. Coombabah, Coombabah, 4216, where every evening naturally clicks. 4216, proud and free, best Gold Coast community. From Aussies born to folks arriving, different stories but same thriving. Everyone finds a comfortable fix right here in 4216. Late night calm when crowds thin out, moon reflecting, no doubt. You breathe it in, you know it's true. This postcode kinda chooses you. And if home had a postcode written in gold, it would read Coombabah, 4216. 4216.
412
4216.
golden hour, lifting again. Props spin slow, skyline alive.
Let's see Coombabah from above. 4216, wrapped in light and love. Rooftops glowing, waterways calm. Evening settling like a healing balm.
From up here it all makes sense. Coastal calm with city presence. Beach not far, Broadwater shine.
Everything close by design.
Coombabah, Coombabah 4216. Sunsets go perfect maze. Every street, every fix, we love to proud. 4216.
4216.
Look west now, hinterland glow.
Saw blue ridges stealing the shore.
Mountains holding the fading light, balancing coast and urban sight. Eternally when there realize,
Southport Airport under amber skies.
runway gleaming, afternoon blaze. Another Gold Coast golden face.
Helicopters sometimes pass at night. Police sailing, keeping watchful sight. Low hum rolling through the dark. Just part of the after-hours spark.
Sometimes place might rattle a bit. Windows hum for a minute or it.
But it's simply the city breathing late. Life moving at its natural rate.
Coombabah 4216.
Skyline come.
Coastal fix 4216. Standing tall, best Gold Coast home of all.
Wetlands shining like molten glass. Long shadows drifting across the grass. Kangaroos settling for the night. Nature framed in golden light.
Fruit bats gliding overhead. Silhouettes where the sun just bled. Ancient rhythm, evening flow. Part of what locals know.
Paradise point lights coming on. Hope Island glow just before the dawn. Runaway bay, close and bright. All connected in twilight light.
4216 keeps pulling strong. That postcode rhythm all night long. From working homes to waterfront views. It's a lifestyle you don't lose.
And after dark you sometimes hear tires chirp when the roads go clear. Sports bikes singing first then two. Quick bursts echoing through.
Not chaos, just the city's tone. Night energy in a coastal zone. Never lasting calm returns. That steady Coombabah burn.
Even from this skyline sweep, you feel how calm runs deep. No ego rush, no hollow show. Just real people living slow. Streetlights flicker, backyard glow. Dinner laughter down below. Life unfolding soft and true. The kind of place that steadies you.
Coombabah forever strong.
4216